Welcome to my very first video. Today I'm breaking down how much I'm projected to receive in dividends throughout 2024 from my 40,000 euro portfolio. I'm from Sweden, so I've converted all the amounts from Swedish crowns to euros. These are approximate figures. We'll start with the smallest dividend payers and work our way up to the largest. Let's get started. Before we dive into the numbers, just a quick reminder to hit that like button if you enjoy this content. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's start with the smallest dividend payers. First up is Axfood, where I have 30 shares, which will pay me 11 euro in dividends this year. Axfood is a major player in Sweden's food retail sector, owning popular grocery chains. Next is Procter & Gamble, where I hold 10 shares, paying me 13 euro in dividends. P&G is a global leader in consumer goods, known for brands like Tide, Pampers, and Gillette. After that, we have Johnson & Johnson with 10 shares, which will pay me 19 euro in dividends. J&J is a pharmaceutical and consumer goods giant that distributes dividends quarterly. Moving on to Coca-Cola, I have 20 shares, which will pay me 20 euro in dividends. Coca-Cola is a global beverage leader known for its wide range of soft drinks. Next is PepsiCo, where I own 10 shares, paying me 25 euro in dividends. PepsiCo, a competitor to Coca-Cola, has a strong presence in both beverages and snacks. Now let's talk about Investor B, where I have 130 shares, which will contribute 48 euro in dividends. Investor is a Swedish investment company with stakes in some of Sweden's largest companies. Next up is Volvo B, where I hold 120 shares, paying me 153 euro in dividends. Volvo Group is known for its heavy vehicles and has a strong market position. Moving on to Swedbank A, I have 150 shares, which will provide 170 euro in dividends. Swedbank is one of Sweden's largest banks and a reliable dividend payer. Next is Nordea Bank ABP, which will pay me 180 euro in dividends. Nordea is a leading financial group in the Nordics, valued for its consistent dividend payouts. Now we have Tele2B, where I hold 340 shares, paying me 191 euro in dividends. Tele2 offers mobile and broadband services across Europe. Next up is a big Swedish bank with 340 shares, which will pay me 233 euro in dividends. It's known for its stable and reliable dividends, even during economic downturns. And finally, the largest contributor, a Nordic dividend ETF, where I hold 850 shares, which will pay me 468 euro in dividends. This ETF includes high dividend stocks from across the Nordic region, offering broad exposure to top companies. In total, my portfolio is projected to generate 1,600 euro in dividends for 2024. This shows the power of dividend investing, even with a relatively small portfolio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content on investing and personal finance. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own dividend projections for the year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.